partnership's motivation for the Finally project is based on the experience with the specific target group of the Roma population, their needs for more and exclusive education based on a big leap they have to make towards their stable and independent economic position. Defined by their poor financial situation, high illiteracy, low knowledge of money management, how to perform transactions, find reliable information, and make long-term decisions, the Roma minority faces even higher risks for poverty and unemployment in times of economic crisis. Thus, there is clearly a great need to implement financial education addressing specific circumstances of this vulnerable group. The main aim of the project is therefore to raise the level of financial literacy among Roma adults and to inform them about different consumer services. The consortium is composed of 8 partners from 6 European countries: Slovenia, Bulgaria, Greece, Slovakia, Italy and Serbia, and with diverse expert knowledge. It includes universities, adult education centers, a social research agency and an NGO. The professionals working on the project come from various fields such as psychology, social work, research, adult education, health management, economy, financial management, project management, vocational and non-vocational training, and working with the disadvantaged. The project partners are the lead partner, Development and Education Center Novo Mesto, and the partners, Faculty of Economics, University of Niš, Faculty of Health Sciences and Social Work, Trnava University, Health and Social Development Foundation, Codici Agencija di Ricerca Sociale, Tehniki Ekpedeftiki, University of Piraeus Research Center in Greece, and Action Synergy. During the making and development of the program for financial literacy of the Roma, each step was carefully planned. First, a research about the needs of Roma population for financial literacy was made. Based on this research, we developed an educational program on how to efficiently manage family finances, be an informed consumer, save money and shop wisely, etc. The program is designed for younger adult Roma, who often have higher level of education than their relatives and are more receptive for education. They are becoming more independent in management of their finances and are key actors in social changes. In the next step, we developed a trainer's manual as a tool for training the trainers that would implement the program and later to help them implement the training with the target group. The tools described within each topic in the manual are included in the workbook for the participants. PowerPoint presentations with key points of the topic content are developed to be used also as a teaching material. This way, the manual is connected and consistent with the teaching material and toolbox developed for the training for target group members. We also developed a didactic game called Romonopoly, focusing on the understanding of different financial concepts and real-life financial situations. Next, we trained teachers, professionals, Roma mediators to implement this training program, and we implemented pilot testing of the program and tools in all partner countries. Based on the feedback and findings of the pilot implementation, we improved both the program and the tools. These results are translated into English and in all partner languages and are also available in digital version. They are available for use among the target group and with some minor adjustments also for use with other vulnerable groups. First, by applying a uniform methodology in all partner countries, we wanted to find out what are the needs of the Roma in the field of financial literacy. We carried out guided interviews with individual Roma, 2 focus groups of professionals dealing with Roma issues, and important representatives of the Roma community. In addition, by studying different literature, we researched how mostly educated Roma successfully manage their family finances. The collected results are compiled in 6 national reports in all partner languages, translated into English, and are also available on the project website. The transnational report is, besides English, also available in all partner languages and summarizes the data collected and provides guidelines for content of Finally training course.
Most Roma in Europe live in substandard housing, experience unemployment, health problems, which weigh on the family budget, making it difficult for people to foresee exceptional expenses, to save, or to extinguish previously acquired debts. Success for the Roma we interviewed would mean to exit the current marginal situation, for example, moving away from the segregated environment. The needs assessment research documented the usefulness of financial literacy education in order to support Roma adults in better facing the challenges of their current situation.
Na podlagi izsledkov raziskave, ki je bila upravljena v vseh partnerskih državah, smo nato osnovali 56-urni izobraževalni program za finančno pismenost za Rome. Seveda smo sprva pripravili kurikulum, ki obsega tako vsebine, standarde znanja, kompetence, ki jih naj bi ta program nudil, kot tudi metodološka priporočila za izvedbo programa. Sam program sestoji iz 4 modulov. Prvi modul je nekoliko daljši, in sicer o družinskem proračunu, prihodkih, odhodkih, dobrih nakupovalnih navadah, sledimo modul o varčevanju, potem je modul o posojanju denarja, o dolgovih, obrestnih merah in vse v povezavi s tem, ter še 4. modul, ker želimo spodbujati zaposlovanje med romsko populacijo, pa je namenjen zaposlovanju in samozaposlovanju, se pravi, kako povečam svoje prihodke.
When the curriculum was fully developed, we started to work on the development of the manual with instructions for trainers on how to use the tools, the materials, the workbook for participants, didactic games and PowerPoint presentations. The basic concept is to present a financial decision-making process at a family level as a clever path that learners can walk through to better understand basic financial concepts, with the ultimate objective to learn how to better handle their finances. Therefore, change of attitudes and practice is needed.
This manual is intended to be used on training of trainers and also by trained trainers when they teach participants or members of a target group within the project of Finally. It consists of 4 modules. Each module is presented in this manual in the extent that provides trainers with enough knowledge, skills and competencies. This manual is written by author team from the Faculty of Economics and with generous contribution and commitment of all members of Project Consortium.
The pilot testing of the program was comprised of 2 parts. First testing was done with training the professionals, teachers and Roma mediators, and the second testing was done with training of the Roma participants.
Usposabljanje za učitelje in strokovne sodelavce smo si zamislili kot dinamično zasnovan program, 24-urni program, ki smo ga izvedli tako v tradicionalni učilnici, kot tudi v spletni učilnici. In sicer preko razgovorov, pogovorov, delavnic, predvsem smo težili k temu, da poteka izobraževanje z dinamičnimi pristopi in metodami in si v bistvu v okviru tega usposabljanja z vsemi udeleženimi izmenjali dragocene izkušnje in mnenja.
Vsebino projekta bom vsakodnevno vnašala v svoje delo z učenci Romi ter pri srečanjih z njihovimi starši.
Z Romi se srečujem predvsem pri teh pravicah do denarne socialne pomoči, otroškega dodatka in v tem primeru bom jaz tudi največ uporabila zdaj to pridobljeno znanje, da jih pač na kraju delala bom na individualnih pač primerih in jih na kraju mesta potem seznanim, kaj bi lahko pač pridobili s temi znanji.
Ti programi, ki potekajo za Rome, pomenijo velik korak naprej v socializaciji in vključevanju v normalno življenjsko okolje, kjer bi se jim izboljšal standard. Zato je zelo pomemben projekt finančno opismenjevanje Romov.
Z velikim veseljem sem se udeležila finančnega usposabljanja Romov. To je usposabljanje, ki ga organizira Razvojni izobraževalni center z Novega mesta. Več razlogov je za to in sicer ker gre za relativno nove vsebine in nova orodja, ki prispevajo k povečevanju finančne pismenosti v Sloveniji. Drugi razlog je, da gre za orodje še posebej namenjeno ranljivim skupinam, kamor sodijo tudi Romi, pa tudi druge. In tretje, kar me je zelo veselilo, je, da sem na tem usposabljanju lahko izmenjala izkušnje sodelavcev na različnih področjih dela, tako v šolskem prostoru, kot v centrih za socialno delo ali v šolskih svetovalnih službah.
Svakako program je izvanreden, uopšteno i sama predstavka programa je na kvalitetnom nivou, što bi se rekao high level, i nastaviti samo ovim putem jako je dobro i meni je samo žao što nije bilo više prisutnih Roma, jer ovaj program će se pokazati efikasnim, prvenstveno efikasan je za mene, što naučio sam dosta toga vezano za ekonomiju, a drugo pokazat će se i za druge Rome kojima ću ja predstaviti ovaj program i sve ovo što sam naučio na programu.
Program finančne pismenosti za Rome, ki traja 56 ur, smo pilotno izvedli v vseh partnerskih državah projekta.
The trainer should be flexible and able to use methods of active learning and should also be able to adjust some exercises to the structure of the group, the participants' level of literacy and other skills, for example, related to working with tables. They should know the characteristics of the target group and establish an approach based on the participants' needs and preferences. Trainers should explain the main concept by providing simple explanations and regularly checking the level of understanding of the material and to guide them if some misunderstandings are detected.
Sodelujem pri projektu Finally. Na začetku sem se mogoče malo bala, kako bo stvar stekla, vendar je zdaj zelo v redu. Dinamika je zelo dobra, udeleženci zelo radi sodelujejo, uporabljamo pač različne metode, več kot je različnih metod, več kot je različnih pristopov, lažje delamo in tudi rezultati so zelo zanimivi. Čeprav smo se najprej bali, ker je tema varčevanje, pa vendar je to tema, ki je zelo aktualna tudi za njih in se učimo tako mi od njih, kot oni od nas.
Ta program sem se prijavil za tole, da bom znal bolj reagirati znanjenosti s financami. Zdaj smo se naučili že prihodki, odhodki, kje pa ko, pa za trgovino, kje se da cenej kupiti, kje bomo več prišparali. Veselimo se, tako da se bomo še bolj kaj naučili, da bomo več znali. Radi prihajamo.
Ja?
Radi, z veseljem prihajamo.
No, super.
Zdaj sem se naučila že, v bistvu smo že prej malo gledali na cene, zdaj s tem programom smo pa še malo bolj se poglobilo, kako še več prišparati.
Il materiale che ci ha fornito Finally, che abbiamo utilizzato per il corso a giugno con alcuni residenti del campo sosta qui di Piacenza e alcuni residenti presso gli alloggi popolari, pensiamo di riutilizzarlo l'anno prossimo per un possibile corso futuro, nel senso che abbiamo avuto un rimando positivo da parte dei partecipanti, soprattutto nella parte riguardante la ricerca del lavoro attivo. Nel senso che è proprio uscita proprio dai partecipanti anche l'idea di poter creare una microimpresa, che può essere o di pulizie o di qualsiasi altra attività. E la parte interessante è stata quella che ha riguardato proprio la scrittura del curriculum. E noi abbiamo utilizzato proprio la griglia che ci è stata fornita dal progetto Finally.
The most important thing about Finally materials is that they are downloadable, they are accessible, they are translated to Italian, and this is a very precious resource for trainers and for whoever wants to conduct training programs on these topics. And I think it's important to let other organizations and trainers know about these resources so that they can be used to the best interest of the Roma.
We study this topic from various aspects and implement the findings of our research into our teachings so that we prepare our absolvents for practical work with this community. This training program that has been created has a great potential to actually help them, as we know from our pilot trainings and from the experiences we have from the field in their daily lives.
Hello, I'm Martin Rusnak and I'm a professor of public health here in the Department of Public Health, and I'm also a member of the Finally team. I've been engaged in a couple of previous projects with Roma, and as I see this project, it has a significant potential for the audience or the participants of the activities of the project. It also has a significant sustainability element built in because of the documents in different languages, and hopefully there are going to be followers and users of the documents which were developed by the program.
Moje meno je Daniela Kalajová, zúčastnila som sa v projekte Finally ako tréner trénerov. Môj modul sa volal Zlepšenie príjmov. Tento modul bol hodnotený účastníkmi vzdelávacieho školenia ako veľmi dôležitý pre ich klientov, pretože v súčasnosti príjmová nerovnosť a problémy s príjmami je u rómskej komunity veľmi veľký problém. Takže tento modul bol hodnotený ako pozitívne a verím, že teda naši vytrénovaní tréneri ho ďalej budú teda aplikovať u svojich klientov, u členov rómskej komunity, keďže príjmy sú veľmi dôležitým determinantom celkového života rómskej komunity a zároveň determinujú aj ich začlenenie do spoločnosti ako takej.
Developed materials and tools will be available in printed and electronic form even after the end of the project, in libraries and online sources. Developed results are, with certain adjustments, also useful for training other target groups. We highly recommend to use them to the full extent.